Hi everyone, I'm Tanashat Kujarivanish.
And I'm Gavin. Today we are going to present our project investigation on the variation of classroom illumination throughout the day.
First up, what was our inspiration of investigating such an experiment? Or why is light intensity important to our school classrooms? In the beginning of the year, we came up with a question. Other than the pressure students usually experience in classrooms, what else can we do to make the environment of the classrooms more comfortable for the students in terms of academic performance? Then, after our research about factors that could affect students' studies, we found out that illumination is the major scientific reason why students could not cope with their studies well. It explains that if the lights in the classroom are too dim, it may harm the eyesight and increase the tension of students. And if the lights in the classrooms are too bright, it may result in glare and sleepiness of the students.
And after spending days surfing through internet for further information, we discovered that recommended standard is 250 to 500 lux for study area. Therefore, maintaining an optimum illumination in the study area is instrumental for students' attention. Here is how we conducted the experiment. The instrument we used is a light sensor and data logger. We carried out the experiment in our own class as the sample and started out by dividing the classroom into 9 locations. From 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily, we measured and recorded the readings hourly from 9 locations. Readings were recorded in orderly manner, starting from the front door to the other end of the classroom. We also took note of the weather conditions of each day, and incidentally, there were only 2 weather conditions during those days, cloudy and rainy conditions.
After we had done with the experiment, we gathered all the data and computed in the graph ranging from data of a particular day, overall data of each weather condition, and overall data of the whole.
And this is the graph of the overall result. In the graph, we could see that at some locations, illumination is always lower than 500 and some are always higher than 500. This proves that in every location, there is different range of illumination.
We have concluded that our classroom is fairly illuminated. The luminosity inside the classroom varies from 500 to 1600 lux throughout the day. Hence, it is recommended that our school should install a device that can vary the amount of artificial light in relation to the existing natural light, because some lights need not be switched on at all, and some need to be switched on the whole time.
At particular times, there will be enough lighting which is conducive to study, even when the lights are turned off. As such, we will be able to use this result to recommend to schools on the use of adjustable artificial light to minimize the illumination of the classroom when needed to maintain the optimum light.
Moreover, we are proud to know that we can help the students to have a more comfortable environment in the classrooms. Finally, our recommendation is schools could use adjustable automatic lights to control the amount of illumination in the classroom to produce less variation in light intensity within the ideal range. At the same time, it would also reduce the amount of electricity used in the school.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation and thank you for your attention.